Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2013 Audi A7 from any screen. If I go to nav here, the nav button, click on nav, you'll see destination there, tour, info, settings. Now, in each corner there's an instruction that you can click on. Those instructions correspond to these 4 buttons here. So I want destination, bottom left, destination, click, address, click on address. Now we want, here we go, we want a new address. So if I just go to town and postcode, click on there, and then the rotary control, we're going to Preston, we're going to Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Hale Walton, Preston, PR5, 4EA, so P, R. We now need numbers. You'll see their numbers are over here, so bottom right hand, so the bottom right hand button there, so click on that, onto numbers 5, 4, it's defaulted back to the alphabet E, A, and then defaulted to OK. Now here we can add a street, start route guidance. I want to start route guidance.
Your route is being calculated.
That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.